Right. Questar instruction book number 2. Questar instruction book number 1. Oh, I have that Questar telescope now. I have the instruction for it. Oh, this is a standard version. I have the field version, which is exactly like that, but it's cheaper. And it doesn't have the base, but you can put it on. I'll put it in a Dobsonian mount. I will show you. Oh, that's the field model. Oh no, yeah, that's the field model. Yeah, field model. That's the one I have. Doesn't have those star map on it. Yeah, field model. Exactly the same, except that it doesn't have the maps on the body of it. You can buy a duplex mount and put it on that duplex, but I don't need it. I found that the Dobsonian mount is better, and I have a Skywatcher 100 and 110, and I use the Dobsonian mount of that for this purpose. Really versatile, better than this. This probably costs you £1,000 just that. Oh, okay, I'm going through all this book now. Should I save a few pages? Yeah, that was the book number 1. Now we have the book number 2, Questar and the camera. I've never seen that they have 2 books for this. Didn't know that. So how you attach the camera. That's for the field model. That send it by this in this bag case. But the case, the foam of it, if it is old, is already rotten and damages the optics. So it's better don't have it. Get a case of your own, £10, £20, whatever. And that's for the close distance. I have that ring also. And the camera, how you attach it. I have all these attachments also. And how you can do more than that. This guider tracker. And of course I have now changed the eyepiece holder to teleview adapter, so you can take 1 1/4 inch eyepieces. And yeah, nice. We can. There is a model of it also which has this Questar reflex for taking videos. I mean films. And here also. This is just collector's item. You don't need these things. Your mobile phone is doing all of that, and a little camera will do all of this. So we have 2 booklets. I never knew that there is 2 booklets. I always thought there is one. The one that I used to see was orange. Questar instruction books. My video practically makes it for you as if you own this, because you just can go through it and see what. If you stop the video, probably you can read it. I don't know. I hope. I mean, these are old things, old publications. Maybe they're available as PDF even online. Who knows? Okay, that's the way my Questar looks, and these are the booklets. Instruction book 1 and book 2, as you can see. Let me show the Dobsonian mount that I was talking about. Okay, this is the Questar telescope, and this is a Dobsonian mount of the Skywatcher Heritage Virtuoso. Is it Virtuoso? Yeah. Anyway, this is the 4-inch one, and yeah, I've used a tiny dovetail bar which came with a telescope and is attached here to the finder area. Of course this tube can turn now. The finder is not there. As you can see, that orange dot is the finder. And the telescope is on this and is very stable, and it can turn. I can just turn it up and down. Of course I can loosen it up, and really better than the I mean any other mount you can install it, tripod or something. You can use it inside the home on the table or anything you like. It will not track, but for tracking you can use the Virtuoso Heritage Skywatcher Heritage Virtuoso one, that is 4.5-inch mount, which has the tracking thing and decoding system. You can use that one, but this is enough for my needs. And this teleview, lovely teleview adapter, so I can use now 1.5-inch eyepieces on this, including, surprise, surprise, Ethos 13mm or APM 13mm, and all the Myriad, Skywatcher Myriad 3.5 to to 9mm, and I can use all the Pentax eyepieces if they're not 2-inch. I can use adapter here for 2-inch, but that will not give me any advantage. And that's it. That's perfect for all the uses that I want. And let me show you my Celestron C90 Mac. Compare it with this one.